in question number 2, we are given CP and we are given gain percent. So in the previous question, gain was given in the value form, right? Or all the values are given in the value form, right? And we have to find out the gain and the gain percent. But this time the third value is missing, means SP is missing. We have to find out SP, and the gain is given in the form of percentage. So percentage form we cannot add in this. So first of all we have to convert it into the value form. So how can we convert this value into the value form? When we write here 4% of, किसका part है 4%? 1650. Always it is the part of CP because CP is at the left side. Clear? So first of all we will calculate gain. 4% of 1650. We will get the answer 66. And after that profit we have to add in CP. The CP plus gain. So now we will add them. We will get the answer. Clear? Now in the next question, CP is given and the loss percent is given. Loss we have to subtract from CP, but it is the percentage form. So we have to find out the value form. वैल्यू फॉर्म करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसके साथ ऑफ लगा के क्या करना पड़ेगा? CP लगाना पड़ेगा. तो लॉस इज इक्वल टू 12% ऑफ CP because CP is at the left side. So anything is here, profit is here or loss is here. ऑफ के बाद हमेशा CP आएगा. तो 12% ऑफ 875. तो 12% means 12 upon 100. Off means multiply 875. And then when we solve we will get the answer 105. After that we have to calculate SP is equals to CP minus loss. तो CP हमारा कितना था? 875 minus loss. तो loss is 105. We will subtract and we will get the answer 707. Let's start question number 3. SP is given 1596. Gain percent is given to us, right? So one thing is we should learn the formulas. But basic thing, when we learn formulas, so at the time of examination, in nervousness, we generally forget the formula, and if there is any mistake, so the complete question will be wrong. So better is to understand the formulas, that from where we have got these, right? So let us understand, this is CP, this is gain percent which is given to us, and this is SP, this is also given to us. Now we have to find out this CP. So we have learned that CP is always 100%. This is gain percent and it is given how much? 12. Right? So percentage plus percentage. So we will get this percentage. It is how much? 112%. Now but we have to find out the value form of this SP. Not in percentage, we want to give the answer in value form, that how much rupees is SP, right? So 112% of what? This is 112% of CP, right? So, and in value form it is given 1596. So we can equate both of them, we will get the answer, right? So we have to write it how much? So SP is equals to, in percentage form it is 100% plus this gain percent of CP. So both we can write 100 plus 12% of CP is equals to 1596. So it becomes 112% of CP is equals to 1596, and we'll do the calculations. We will get the answer 1425. Clear everyone? The same way we can do the questions for loss percent also. Here only we will get, we have to subtract both of them in the case of loss percent. The same process we will follow here. So at the place of plus, we will get here minus. Clear? In question number 4, the cost price is given 12,160. That Manjeet bought an iron safe for rupees 12,160. Now 340 rupees he spent on transportation. So it means this amount also he had spent, right? So this is also be considered in CP. So the total CP will be in the the addition of these two numbers. So we will get 12,160 plus 340 as 12,500. Right? Now the SP is 12,875. 375. So obviously SP is greater than CP. It means we have profit. So now the profit we have to find out in the form of percentage, right? So how can we calculate in the form of percentage? This is value form. This is also value form. So both the values we can subtract. We will get it. The profit also in value form. So that we have subtracted. We have got the answer 375. But this 375 we have to change it into percentage because in the question it is asked in the form of percentage. तो percentage कैसे calculate करते हैं? जो भी value form है, that value form we have to write in numerator. That the thing which is written on the left side. The left side is what? CP. And how much CP is there? 12,500. So that 12,500 will be in the denominator multiplied by 100. So then we will get the percentage form of profit. So that we have done here. So this is the formula only. This is what? Profit. So we have written it here. The profit upon CP, because CP is on the left side, into 100. The profit upon CP into 100. And now we will solve it. We will get the answer 5%. Clear everyone? Question number 6. In this question, Hari purchased rice in two forms. Suppose he has purchased it from two different shops. Okay? From one shop he has purchased 20 kg rice and he has purchased these rice as 36 rupees per kg. Right? So how much is the total amount spent? We can calculate 20 multiplied by 36 and we will get 720 rupees. तो उसने राइस कितने खरीदे? 20 kg. कितने के खरीदे? 720. This is the CP1. Right? Now he has purchased suppose 25 kg rice from some different shop. Right? Or you can say the variety is different, so that's why the cost is different. He has purchased 25 kg rice and how much rate? 32 rupees per kg. Right? And now, so what is the total money spent on these rice? So 25 multiplied by 32. So we will get 800 rupees. Now this is also the cost price and this is also the cost price. So how much is the total cost price? The sum of these two. So we have added and we will get the answer 1520. Now what he has done? So these are the expensive and these are cheaper. Right? So what he has done? He has mixed both the varieties. And after mixing, so how much is the total quantity of rice? That will be the sum of these two, 20 kg plus 25 kg. So it will be 45 kg. Now all the rice he has sold at rupees 38 per kg. Right? So what is the total amount he will get? 45 into 38, that will be the total SP. Now which one is greater? This is CP and this is SP. So this is 1520 and this is 1710. The SP is greater. If SP is greater than CP, then we have profit. So how much is the profit? How we calculate the profit? Again we can make the diagram. CP, SP and in middle it is profit. So how can we calculate? We will subtract these two. So that we have done, we have got the answer 190. But this is the value form. But in the question it is asked in the percentage form. So how to calculate the percentage form? So in percentage form, this value should be divided by this value which is written at the left side, means profit upon CP multiplied by 100. So that we have done here. Profit upon CP 1520 multiplied by 100. So we have got the answer 12.5%. Clear everyone? Now in this question, cost price and selling price is not given directly. But here it is given a relation between the cost price and the selling price. So we have to find out the profit or the profit percent, right? So it is given in the question, SP of 16 water bottles is equals to CP of water bottles. तो ना तो हमें CP पता है, ना हमें SP पता है, लेकिन हमें इतना पता है कि जो SP 16 बॉटल्स की है वो CP of 17 बॉटल्स के इक्वल, राइट? बट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज. तो परसेंटेज में अगर हम कोई वैल्यू को लेट कर लें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, क्योंकि परसेंटेज कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता, राइट? जितना परसेंटेज कम वैल्यू के लिए रहता है उतना ही परसेंटेज ज्यादा वैल्यू के लिए भी रहता है. क्लियर? चाहे आप 16 बॉटल सेल करें, चाहे आप 20 सेल करें, चाहे आप 25 5 सेल कर रहे हैं, द प्रॉफिट परसेंट विल ऑलवेज बी रिमेन कांस्टेंट, राइट? तो यहाँ पर आप कुछ भी नंबर मान सकते हैं, बट वी हैव टेकन अ नंबर व्हिच इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 16 and 17 both, right? These are co-prime numbers, so that's why we have multiplied them. So I have assumed that the SP of 16 bottles is equals to 270. So we can write SP of 16 bottles is 272. So why we are not able to calculate profit? Because the quantity is not same. Here it is 16 bottles, here it is 17 bottles. तो जब भी हम प्रॉफिट बताएंगे तो हमें क्वांटिटी सेम चाहिए, जितनी हमने सेल करी है उतनी ही हमने परचेज करी है, राइट? ओनली देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द प्रॉफिट और प्रॉफिट परसेंट। तो हम इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करेंगे, एसपी भी 1 बॉटल की निकालेंगे, सीपी भी 1 बॉटल की निकालेंगे, क्वांटिटी विल बी सेम, एंड देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द प्रॉफिट और द प्रॉफिट परसेंट। सो एसपी ऑफ 16 बॉटल्स कितना हो गया, 272। तो एसपी ऑफ 1 bottle we can calculate. This 16 will go in division, so we will get rupees 70. Now the CP of 17 water bottles is equals to 272. So we can calculate the CP of 1 water bottle dividing by 17. We will get rupees 60. अब प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालेंगे, which is greater? SP is greater because SP is 17, CP is 16. So we have profit. प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालेंगे, दोनों को माइनस करके, तो SP minus CP we have got 1. अब 1 तो वैल्यू फॉर्म है, we have to find out in percentage form. तो परसेंटेज में क्या करते हैं, this value divided by this value into 100. तो what is this profit? This is CP. तो profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. So when we will calculate, we will get the answer 6 whole 1/4%. Clear everyone?